हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू बूस्ट योर लर्निंग। इस वीडियो में हम कंप्यूटर के एमसीक्यूज का प्रैक्टिस सेट 3 करने वाले हैं, जिसमें 50 एमसीक्यूज हैं। नंबर 1, continuous processing of two or more programs by multiple processors is called multiprocessing। का आंसर होगा मल्टीप्रोसेसिंग, है ना। Multiprocessing, that means two or more processors work together to execute multiple programs. Question number 2, everything in your computer is a component of dash. So everything in your computer is a component of hardware or software. Every computer component is either hardware or software. Question number 3, an error in a computer program is called bug. A mistake or defect in a program's code, that is bug. Question number 4, a tape drive offers data access in sequential. Data is accessed in order one after another in sequential. डेटा को क्रम से एक एक करके पढ़ना ही क्या कहलाता है? सीक्वेंशियल। वायरस की फुल फॉर्म विटल इंफॉर्मेशन रिसोर्सेज अंडर सीज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, a group of characters having a predefined meaning is called field. Question number 7, the type of software used to perform tasks like writing letters is called application software. Question number 8, .vs, .doc, stm किसके उदाहरण हैं? तो ये उदाहरण है एक्सटेंशन के। Question number 9, dash is a unique name that you give to an information file, that is file name. Question number 10, the compiler translates high-level programs into machine language, which is called object code. Question number 11, what was the name of the first electronic computer? So first electronic computer name was not Apple, Intel, Pioneer, Mark. That is, so correct answer is इनमें से कोई नहीं, none of this. First electronic computer was ENIAC, ENIAC. Electronic, that full form is electronic numerical integrator and computer. Question number 12, when was ENIAC developed? ENIAC was developed in 1946. Question number 13, what is transistor? Transistor is semiconductor. Question number 14, what is the main component of fourth generation computers? Microprocessor. Question number 15, into how many categories can digital computers be divided? Digital computers can be divided into 4 categories, that are supercomputer, सुपर कंप्यूटर और मेन फ्रेम कंप्यूटर, और मिनी कंप्यूटर एंड माइक्रो कंप्यूटर। Question number 16. How much internal memory does a microcomputer have? That is 256 KB. Question number 17. Computers used nowadays belong to which category? Digital computer. Question number 18. What is called an integrated circuit? B. Microscopic circuits built on a silicon semiconductor chip. Question number 19. 0 and 1 are called dash or bits. Binary digit or bits. Question number 20. How many bits make 1 byte? So, 8 bits make 1 byte. Question number 21. The device which sends data bits 0 and 1 bit by bit in sequence is serial keyboard. सीरियल कीबोर्ड डेटा को 1 बिट करके सेंड करता है। Question number 22. A collection of programs prepared in a computer is called software. Question number 23. A group of programs that performs a specific task is called application software. What is the full form of IRM? Information Resource Management. Information Resource Management. Question number 25. How many subsystems are generally there in an information system? 3. Input, processing, output. Question number 26. With the help of what can the processing speed of a computer be decreased or increased? That is turbo switch. है ना? So turbo switch is correct answer. Question number 27. Tape is made of which material? Plastic, polyester. Question number 28. A site that contains a directory of other websites and a search engine is called portal. Question number 29. Something that is easy to understand instruction is called user-friendly. Question number 30. Which menu is selected for printing? File. प्रिंट कमांड जो है वो फाइल मेन्यू में होता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. हाउ मेनी प्राइमरी कीज आर देयर इन वन टेबल ऑफ MS ऑफिस? 1. प्राइमरी कीज, हाउ मेनी प्राइमरी कीज? That is 1. Which of the following is not a toggle button? So, bold is toggle button, italic also, underline also. So, the correct answer is इनमें से कोई नहीं, है ना, क्योंकि ये सभी है ना, तो हम इसको ओनली ए को भी नहीं लगा सकते, बी को भी नहीं लगा सकते, ओनली सी को भी नहीं कर सकते और डी का भी नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि इसमें ए और बी आया है। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा नन ऑफ दिस, है ना, ना ए, ना बी, ना सी, ना डी, है ना, तो ये सभी है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 33, column text is generally aligned. Column text is generally aligned in left. Question number 34. What is the permanent memory of a computer called? ROM. Question number 35. When a new device like a printer or scanner is attached to a computer, what should be installed first? Driver. Question number 36. The software through which a user can surf the internet is called browser. Question number 37. What is created by compiling? What is created by compiling? Executable program. Question number 38. Data copied from an application is stored in clipboard. कॉपी और कट किया गया जो डेटा होता है वो अस्थायी रूप से क्लिपबोर्ड में ही रहता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. What is the main function of a firewall? Main function of a firewall is monitoring. Question number 40. Antivirus software is an example of security utility. Question number 41. The computer directly communicates with CPU. Question number 42. The file extension is separated from the main file name by which symbol? Correct answer will be none of these. क्योंकि जो फाइल एक्सटेंशन को सेपरेट करने का मेन फाइल का नेम है वो है डॉट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 43. A web dash contains more than one web page and is located on a web server, that is site. Question number 44. The small graphical pictures on the desktop are called icon. Question number 45. Which of the following is generally used to display information in public places? मॉनिटर इसका आंसर अकेले मॉनिटर नहीं होगा, ओवरहेड प्रोजेक्टर, दिस इज प्रोजेक्टर। अकेले प्रोजेक्टर भी नहीं होगा, मॉनिटर एंड ओवरहेड प्रोजेक्टर, दैट इज करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 46. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज? इसमें से कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज कौन सी नहीं है? तो नहीं है लेजर। Question number 47. What are CTRL, Shift and Alt keys called? है ना, तो ये जो कीज है ये क्या कहलाती हैं? मॉडिफायर। Question number 48. What is the function of the CPU? So the function of the CPU is processing. Question number 49. Which circuit is used in a memory device? That is flip-flop. Question number 50. What does a dot matrix printer use for printing? That is print head. देखिए हमने कंप्यूटर रिलेटेड 50 MCQs। आई होप ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रही हो। तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो।